Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a workflow in Apollo.io, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Apollo.io tutorials. Open Apollo.io and log into your Google account. Head over to the Sequences left panel and click on Tools and Automations and add over to Workflows and click on the button. The top right corner, Create Workflow, and for example, let's say you want to target website visitors, and add your website URL here and click on Create. And this is your workflow for targeting website visitors uploaded to you. So you can also create a workflow from scratch. So you can click on Create Workflow and just click on Start from Scratch. And here you will be asked to add your trigger. For example, you want to base on date or schedule and add your workflow when to start and the frequency of your workflow. And you can edit all the filters before you continue. And when you are done, click on Done. And this will run every week on Friday, this workflow of all the parameters with this date. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.